Many investors believe wealth in crypto comes from holding more XRP. But the real difference isn't the amount, it's the behavior. Why do wealthy participants treat XRP so differently? What do they understand that others miss? And why does XRP expose impatience faster than almost any other asset? Let's dive in. Wealthy capital rarely chases excitement. It seeks positioning. In crypto, that means assets held with purpose, not constant action. XRP often frustrates impatient participants because it doesn't reward noise. For disciplined capital, that frustration is the filter. Silence isn't a problem. It's a feature that reveals who is positioned, not reactive. XRP doesn't move the way hype-driven assets do, and that's exactly why it reveals behavior so quickly. When nothing happens, impatience appears. When narratives fade, conviction is tested. Wealth isn't built by reacting to every signal. It's built by understanding which assets demand restraint and accepting that cost early. Wealthy capital doesn't treat XRP as entertainment. It treats it as infrastructure exposure. Settlement assets aren't held for constant stimulation. They're held because they connect systems. XRP's role isn't to excite daily. It's to exist quietly where liquidity, interoperability, and settlement efficiency matter over time, regardless of headlines. XRP punishes short-term thinking faster than most assets. It doesn't reward constant switching. It doesn't validate emotional decisions. That's why reactive strategies fail here. Not because XRP is broken, but because it demands alignment with longer cycles, where outcomes are shaped by structure, not momentum. Wealthy participants don't force XRP to be something it isn't. It isn't a meme. It isn't a dopamine loop. It isn't built for constant validation. Accepting those limits is part of the strategy, because once expectation matches design, frustration disappears, and positioning becomes intentional instead of emotional. Two participants can hold the same XRP amount and experience completely different results. One reacts, one positions. Over time, behavior compounds faster than price action. That's why wealth concentration doesn't come from timing perfection, but from consistency in assets that don't reward impatience. XRP makes that difference painfully visible. XRP isn't misunderstood because it's complex. It's misunderstood because it refuses to entertain. Wealth doesn't need constant movement. It needs systems that survive cycles. That's why XRP attracts disciplined capital, quietly. Not because it promises returns, but because it exposes who understands structure and who only reacts to motion. Impatience has a cost few calculate. With XRP, that cost isn't visible immediately. It appears through missed positioning, repeated exits, and constant doubt. Wealth accepts delayed feedback. Reactive capital demands instant confirmation. That mismatch explains why the same asset creates frustration for some and quiet conviction for others. Wealth doesn't fear volatility, it plans around it. In XRP, volatility exposes weak positioning more than weak fundamentals. Price movement becomes a stress test. Those without a framework feel attacked. Those with structure see noise. XRP doesn't remove volatility. It reveals who prepared for it and who relied on constant reassurance. Emotional reactions blur signals. XRP produces long periods with little confirmation. That silence amplifies doubt, not information. Wealth filters emotion early. It focuses on structure, adoption layers, and long-term design. When emotion fades, clarity increases. That's why disciplined capital reacts less and observes more. XRP doesn't reward belief alone. It rewards alignment. Without a framework, holding feels random. With one, the same silence feels intentional. That's the difference. Not optimism versus pessimism, but preparation versus reaction. Wealth enters assets knowing exactly why they exist, what they do, and what they will never offer. Selling is often an emotional response, not a strategic one. Wealth doesn't exit assets because they feel slow. It exits when the thesis breaks. With XRP, impatience creates false exit signals. Nothing fundamental changes, but confidence erodes. Those who understand XRP's role wait for structural invalidation, not emotional discomfort. Selling often feels like regaining control, but frequent exits usually increase exposure to mistakes, timing errors, re-entry anxiety, lost positioning. Wealth understands this trap. Control doesn't come from activity, it comes from preparation. XRP exposes this illusion brutally because inactivity feels uncomfortable in a market addicted to movement. Wealth isn't built by chasing stimulation, it's built by surviving cycles. XRP isn't designed to entertain, it's designed to persist. That's why disciplined capital treats boredom as a feature, not a flaw. If an asset can be held calmly through long, quiet phases, it filters participants naturally, without marketing, without promises. XRP isn't uncomfortable by accident. Assets built for infrastructure rarely feel intuitive to hold. They demand patience without feedback. That discomfort drives many away early. Wealth accepts it as part of the cost. Ease attracts crowds. Difficulty filters commitment. XRP operates closer to the second category, by design, not by failure. Comfort feels safe, but it quietly extracts a price. Assets that feel reassuring usually already reflect consensus. XRP rarely offers that comfort. Wealth understands this trade-off. It accepts uncertainty early to avoid overpaying later. Discomfort isn't a warning signal. It's often the entry cost of asymmetrical positioning, especially in infrastructure assets. XRP doesn't need lockups or restrictions to filter participants. Time does the job. Extended quiet phases remove weak conviction. Short-term focus self-selects out. What remains isn't belief, it's tolerance for delayed outcomes. Wealth respects this process. It understands that assets requiring patience don't need hype, they need endurance. This behavior isn't unique to XRP. Infrastructure assets across history followed the same path, ignored early, doubted during silence, respected only after integration. Wealth studies these patterns instead of narratives. It recognizes repetition where others see randomness. XRP fits that historical template, whether one likes it or not. Attention rarely points toward utility. It chases volatility, novelty, and dramatic narratives. Utility develops quietly, away from spotlight. Wealth doesn't confuse visibility with importance. It knows attention arrives late. XRP's role isn't to attract focus. It's to function when systems need reliability more than excitement. Wealth doesn't seek daily confirmation. It doesn't need price alerts to feel secure. It relies on preparation, not reassurance. XRP frustrates those needing constant feedback. It rewards those comfortable acting without applause. That difference isn't intelligence, it's temperament. Markets amplify this gap over time. XRP feels misunderstood because it doesn't behave socially. It doesn't perform for attention. It doesn't comfort uncertainty. It doesn't explain itself daily. Wealth isn't confused by that. It expects it. Assets designed for systems often appear invisible until the system itself becomes unavoidable. Wealth doesn't treat XRP as entertainment. It treats it as infrastructure exposure, something you position for, not react to. That mindset removes urgency. It replaces hope with structure. XRP isn't there to impress. It's there to function if its thesis plays out. Understanding that difference reframes everything. The gap isn't money, it's behavior. Same asset, same information, different reactions. Wealth slows decisions down. It removes urgency. It tolerates silence. XRP magnifies this contrast. Not because it's special, but because it demands patience without rewards along the way. That's the real divide. So yes, wealth treats XRP differently, not because it promises more, but because it demands clarity, patience, and restraint. If you want to explore the world of crypto, don't chase miracles. Educate yourself. Because in this world, a simple click can change a life. But only knowledge can protect your future.